Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you exercise 3.2 from 10th standard NCERT 7th question. So this is the most important question. So this may come for 4 marks in CBSE board exam. So let us start. Draw the graph of equations x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Then determine coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis shade the triangular region. So we'll go one by one. So draw the graphs of these two equations. So first of all, we will draw the graph for these two equations. So we'll find three values of x and y in both the equations. So here I'll write this in easier form. So I want here y and x plus y will be as it is, because always we write the one of the variable in terms of another, so it becomes easy. So I'll write this x plus 1 equals to, so this is equation 1. Then this also will write in that form only. So 2y I'll keep as it is, and this 3x and minus 12 we have to send that side. So it will be what? Plus 12 minus 3x. Then y is 12 minus 3x divided by 2. So let us name this as equation 2. Now go on putting the values of x and find the respective values of y. Here in this equation also put the values of x and find the respective values of y. So let us find. So first I'll put x as 0 in equation 1. Put x equals to 0 in equation 1. So equation 1 will be y. X is, so here in equation 1 x is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1 only. So y is 1 here. So when x is 0, we got y as 1. Next I'll put x as 1 in equation 1. So put x equals to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1 will be y equals to, you can write once again this equation 1 and then you can put the values of x. So I'll put directly now. So equals to 1 here I'll put here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So here y equals to what? 2. When x is 1, y is 2. So similarly I'll put here x equals to 2. You can take negative values also in equation 1. So equation 1 will be y. Equation 1 is what? X plus 1. So that will be x is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So y is 3. When x is 2, y is 3. So similarly we will find out the values of x and y for second equation. So here as I told you in my previous videos also, here it is in fraction form. You can put any values of x here, but as it is fraction, this answer should be divisible by 2, so that you will get what? Whole numbers. It will be easy to mark on the graph paper. Otherwise it will come in point, that is also okay. So x and here y. So I'll put x as, so you can see that 12 is a multiple of 2 and 3 into something, that should be also the multiple of 2. Then only what we'll get? Here the final numerator as multiple of 2. So I'll put here, if I put here 3, 1, what happens? 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 is not a multiple of 2. So put such a number that multiplication of those two numbers 3 and that number should be multiple of 2. So I'll put here x as 0. So what happens? 3 zeros are 0. 12 will remain, that is the multiple of 2. So I'll put here x as 0. Put x equals to 0 in equation 2. Y equals to 12 minus 3 into 0 divided by 2. So y will equals to 3 zeros are 0. 12 divided by 2 is 6. When x is 0, y is 6. Next put x equals to, I'll put 2 because 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6 divided by 2 is whole number. So put x equals to 2 in equation 2. So y equals to 12 minus 3 and this is 2, x is 2 divided by 2. So it is equals to 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 divided by 2. So y is equals to 3. When x is 2, y is 3. So similarly you can put the negative values also. So put x as minus 2. in equation 2. So y equals to 12 minus 3 into x is minus 2 divided by 2. We can write this equation if you want. So this is equals to 12. 3 to the 6, minus minus is plus upon 2. So this is 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So y is plus 9. When x is minus 2, y is plus 9. So these two we are going to draw on a graph paper. So now we will draw the graph of these two equations. So for first equation, so both the graphs you have to draw on a same graph paper. So you have to see how much you have to mark on positive and negative x-axis, positive and negative y-axis. So x, you can observe the highest digit is what here? 2 only. So minus 2 and plus 2. So till plus 2 and minus 2 you have to mark. Then on y-axis highest digit is 9 and all are plus here. So this axis you have to extend more than the other axis. So that is 9 till 9 and just show 2 or 3 on negative axis. Now we'll draw this. So when x is 0, so 0 will be here only for x and y is 1. So here is our first marking, that is x is 0 and y is 1. Next, when x is 1, y is 2. X is 1, so you can put dotted line like this, and y is 2 here. So this is 1 and 2, that is first is x coordinate and second is y coordinate. Next, when x is 2, y is 3. When x is 2, you have to go till plus 3 of y. So this is y axis, this is 2 and 3. So by observing you can say that these three lines will lie on a same line. So let us draw the line. So we'll get line like this, join 3 points, and you can extend this line because it is a line, straight line. Then next we'll draw for second. So when x is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is plus 6. So it will go here. So here you can mark something different, intersection point 0 and 6 here. Then when x is 2, y is 3. When x is plus 2, y is 3. So same here, points are same here. When x is 2, y is 3. So you can see that this is what unique solution for this, because when you put x is 2 here, you got here 3 in this equation, and when here also when you have put 2, you got 3. So definitely remember here the second line will pass through this point. Sure, it will be both the lines will meet at this point. So it will come here. Now next, when x is minus 2, when x is minus 2, here it is x minus 2, y is plus 9. So from minus 2 you have to go till plus 9 of y. This is minus 2 and 9. Now join all these 3 points. So this is the line for second equation. Now you can read out question once again. So this first statement we have completed. First answer. Now determine the coordinates of vertices of triangle. Which triangle? That formed by these lines, means these two lines. The triangle formed using these lines and the x-axis. So we have to determine the coordinates of vertices. So this is a triangle, we can see. So let us name this as A. This I'll name this B, and this is C. So here ABC is a triangle, and they told to determine the coordinates. So write the coordinates of vertices. So vertices is A, B and C. So for A point we have 2 and 3. Then for vertices B, what are the coordinates? Here x-axis is minus 1 and y is obviously here 0, minus 1 and 0. And here x-axis is 4 and y is 0. Remember, whenever the point is coming on the particular axis, so it is coming on x-axis, it means what? Here y coordinate will be 0. Suppose a point is coming on the y-axis, then here x-axis will be 0. So these are the vertices from these two lines and the x-axis. So that is the question they are asked. So vertices are here, vertices of triangle ABC. So I have named this as ABC are point A, that is 2 and 3. Then vertex B, that is minus 1 and 0. Then vertex C is 4 and 0. Next, what they said? Shade the triangular region. So this region you have to shade. So question may be asked to find out the point of this triangle form with these two lines and y-axis. So see these two lines where they are intersecting at y-axis. So this will be the triangle. So definitely there will be 4 marks question based on this. So if you like my explanation, do like, subscribe and share my channel.